Hello students, today we are going to learn about activity number 41, subject English, standard 7th. Here you can see learning outcomes or competency statements means अध्ययन निष्पत्ति. You have to read aloud using proper pause, pace and volume. While you are reading, your volume, the space between the words and the pause or proper pause is more important. Number 2, read to seek information from notice board, charts, tables and the other graphic presentation. You have to seek information from all these types of aspects like notice board, charts, tables and other graphic presentation. Then you have to read in order to obtain information. माहिती मिळवण्यासाठी आपण वाचन केलं पाहिजे. Then refers to dictionary and printed and electronic reference materials to check meaning, spelling and uses etc. You have to use dictionary and other printed or electronic reference materials. Spelling is most important while you are reading text. Then there are some instructions for teachers and parents or facilitators. There is a lesson or there is a story in your last year's textbook, unit 4.2 is Molai's Katholi. Molai's Kathoni is the story and you have to read it. Then you can also use Read to Me free app by Government of Maharashtra for reading guidance. Then ask the learner to underline the new or difficult words they find during reading. While you are reading, you come across with difficult words that you don't hear or don't read earlier. Then you have to underline the new words while you are reading. Then you have to find out the pronunciation and meaning of these words with the help of the teachers or parents, or if possible then use dictionary on their own. You may use online dictionary also. Help the learner to do the activity. There are some instructions for students. First of all, you should read Molai's Kathoni story in your last year's textbook. Then underline the new or difficult words while you are reading. Then find out pronunciation and meaning of these words with the help of the teachers or parents or online dictionary etc. Then translation the lesson with the help of dictionary, parents or teachers. You have to translate into your mother tongue this lesson, then you can understand it very well. Number Fifth is complete the given activity after you reading. Now there is learning activity for you. You can see there is a table, there is chart for you to understand it more effectively. Now just listen, read the following chart and frame as many sentences as you can. You have to read this chart and framing more and more sentences as you can. First of all, now there are two parts, part number 1 and part number 2. There are some words in part first and some sentences in part second. Now say and listen. I, he, she, we, you, Jadhav, they, Tanmay, boys, girls are in part first and saw a terrible sight, was simply horrified, advised him, told him would make a sandy soil fertile, then were all alone on a small patch of island, wanted to plant the trees. You have to prepare or frame many sentences as you can. First of all, number 1, I saw a terrible sight. Then he saw a terrible sight. She saw a terrible sight. You can make more and more sentences like this. We saw a terrible sight. Jadhav saw a terrible sight. Girls saw a terrible sight. Then I was simply horrified. I advised him. I told him I would make a sandy soil fertile. You can prepare and make and write more and more sentences like this. Now there are some sentences you can read this. Number 1, I saw a terrible sight. Number 2, he saw a terrible sight. She saw a terrible sight. You can write and read this. Then our next point is short activity or demo. There is also example for you. Now you can read and write. I saw a terrible sight. He saw a terrible sight. Jadhav saw a terrible sight. Then there is practice point here. Read aloud the meaningful sentences that you have framed. You may change the words from both the column, add other examples from the text, or on your own and frame more meaningful sentences. You can add other text and frame more meaningful sentences. Then there is learning activity or parallel activity for you. Read the lesson again and underline the words. Then watch the lesson on YouTube. Search Moulai's Kathoni. You can also find it on internet also. A story of Jadhav Pink. Then listen it again, read and repeat. Then prepare a poster on plant at least 2 trees each. यावरती पोस्टर तयार करायचं. then evaluation point is there. There is link for you. Fill in the Google forms. And then next point is Diksha video. There is link to get more information about this activity. And our last point is my takeaway or today I learned I can read the lesson and I can Read the chart and frame the meaningful sentences. So, I think you understand it very well. Okay, thank you.